Now it's been almost 2.5 months, and most of the players haven't played table tennis. And मुझे लगता है कि ये लॉकडाउन है, it won't end very soon. So there is a lot of anxiety and doubts among players right now. उनको लगता है कि इतना ब्रेक हो गया है, अभी जो लेवल ऑफ गेम है वो डिटोरिएट होगा, थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम होगा. So what do you think, how a player should resume his or her training after the lockdown?
Okay, thank you for this question, Noel. Resume training after lockdown. I think this is a later part. What we should be discussing is, are we even training during lockdown?
Right.
ये बहुत जरूरी है कि लॉकडाउन के दौरान किस तरह अपने आप को फिट रखे प्लेयर्स, और वो कितना महत्वपूर्ण है ड्यूरिंग द लॉकडाउन अपने आप को फिट रखना. I think this is the most important part. First, we should be discussing this, and then we can go on to the point that post lockdown क्या करना चाहिए. So I would like to share a few things that we all know that cases have been increased in the recent past. और यहाँ से आने वाले टाइम में we should be expecting the worst कि situation यहाँ से और खराब ही होने वाली है. तो probably there will be no sporting events or let's say table tennis tournaments for the next few months. I hope I'm right with this.
Yeah.
So
feel the same.
Yeah, so अगले 4 महीने तक अगर let's say September तक कोई matches नहीं होते हैं, now that's 4 months from now onwards, and I believe that's a big gap, irrespective of the fact कि आप एक beginner हो, state level player हो, national हो या international, it's a big gap for everyone. So एक player के career में इतना समय बिना इतना समय off activity रहना is not good. So I would suggest players to stay fit during this lockdown. And Noel, when I say fit, it does not mean only physically fit. They have to be physically as well as mentally fit. So when I say physically and mentally fit, they need to get on. They need to continue their basic workout, basic things like shadow practice, basic core workout, some free weight body exercises, and most importantly, a bit of meditation. If players have been doing this for a while, I believe, if they have been continuing during this, or if they have been following this process during the lockdown, I think then I would suggest them that post-lockdown, they could start with the basics. So if you have been keeping yourself fit, then you can say, when I say basics, then basic stroke practice, basic on-table movements. And I would also suggest players, especially the younger ones, don't push too hard. Don't be hard on yourself initially, because you will be coming on table after a very long break. So it won't be easy for you to just get back your form very easily. So don't push too hard. Go easy on yourself and just start with basic practice and basic on-table movements, and gradually increase the difficulty level. So I would say patience is the key here. Right.
Okay. So
also मैं players से कहना चाहूँगा.
Right. Sorry. Continue.
नहीं, मैं players चाहूँगा कि चिंता ना करें. Don't panic. शुरुआत में सिर्फ basics पे ध्यान रखें, and gradually you will see yourself back in form. So this is our advice for all the players. Also, I would like to advise the parents. That chinta na kare, your child, obviously he'll be going through a tough time initially, but you need to support them during this period. And most importantly, you need to trust the coaches, the players jinke under wo khel rahe hain, and you have to give some space to the coaches to get back the form, get back the process like early days.
Right. So Aman, very well said. I think all the good players, even if they take a long break and start on table practice, बेसिक्स ज्यादा फॉलो करते rather than going on with the difficult routine and the stroke. तो बेसिक स्टार्ट करना, उसमें कॉन्फिडेंस डेवलप होएगा, थोड़ा फीलिंग जनरेट होएगा, and then you can gradually move on to the difficult part.
Yeah.
And I think during the lockdown, if players are keeping themselves mentally and physically fit, so I think that would be an advantage to directly go on the table, and movement और वो रखना इतना difficult नहीं होगा, like you won't be like completely disconnected from the sport. अगर suddenly if you start after 3-4 months तो काफी difficult होता है, but during the lockdown अगर training करे तो काफी उसमें फायदा है. So thank you for the answer, Aman.